I'm interviewing you.
Okay. That thing is coming.
On a scale of 0 to very excited, what do you feel?
I'm excited. Like 8
8.
out of 10.
Oh, wow.
He's also afraid that the engine might be dead. Or some other stuff. It's
Yeah.
electrical stuff, so it could be a little expensive. Like the battery is $2,000. So some other things could be more.
Okay. Yeah.
It's an engine. It's here. So we have that the hood over here is slightly bent. We'll just have to use some heat and hammer power to make it straight. Okay, it looks interesting, but let's load it up, make sure it's safe to transport, and get home for another 5 hours of driving.
Yeehaw!
I don't know how to connect this thing.
You'll figure it out.
So, what do you think of this piece of engineering? Let's call it that way.
I think it's the best speeder car we're ever gonna have.
Yeah. And you cannot beat the fuel economy.
Yeah.
I'll just use some duct tape to. Oh, this straps are way too long. I'm gonna use some duct tape to hold this piece in place. This would have to be hammered out. This piece of the hood. I'm not buying a new hood.
Heck no.
It's way too expensive. The bumper is gonna stay the same. You just need to zip tie this crack in place. Put some big sticker on.
Mm-hmm.
Like, you know, one of those
Whoopsie?
Band-Aid
Uh-huh.
stickers. I'm
Uh-huh.
gonna go over here, but I need to have some massive one. And that's it. Look, the car is done. Just needs a headlight. Done.
I love it. That's all I ever wanted.
Just a scratch on the back, but who cares about that?
And it'll be good for your mom.
Oh, for my mom, yeah. For Brooklyn, New York traffic, bumper to bumper, literally.
Mm-hmm. This one is already warmed up. It's made of aluminum.
Aluminum, yes.
Aluminum.
The whole body is aluminum. Good.
Say it again.
Yes, I have the headlight coming in with a new bracket, which is just 2 bolts, and this thing coming in with the headlight. The hood would need.
You can sit on it and push it into place.
Sure, that works. Okay, now it's all connected. I'll check all these parts. Good? Safe to go?
Yeah.
And let's roughly things up. I'm gonna be lazy, I'm just gonna do this.
Oh, let's look at the trunk space.
Huh?
I want to look at the trunk. Oh, it's a big trunk.
I know.
Could put a lot back
But
there.
it's pretty big. It has more storage.
Go put your picnic basket in there. Oh, tampons. How considerate.
Female owned this car before?
Somebody with a vagina was using it.
You can say that. I probably couldn't.
I can say anything. Yeah.
Yeah, you're female.
I can say that.
Okay, this thing does not hold up, so we need to have new struts for them.
Okay. Going down. I can put it in.
No,
Maybe not. I'm wearing gloves.
the fancy ones.
Fancy gloves. Oh,
That's it, closed.
bravo, baby. Let's go.
6.5 hours later.
And this is how we got home. This little thing is already parked here. When I was removing the car from the trailer, the bumper fell off. But that's okay. I'm gonna put it back the way it's supposed to be. There was some kind of cracking and scraping on this side, so we'll have to check that out. I think it's probably this. And something is most likely pushing on it. So we'll figure that out. But so far, I'm happy that the car is safe and sound. It's kind of cute and tiny and freakishly weird because I know that the back wheels are here and the front one's over there. And anyway, let's catch up next time. Alright, so this is the next day and this is the car. After driving about 6 hours, the hero car with the trailer made it home okay. Although when I was removing the car off the trailer, the ramps were really high and steep, and this front bumper just removed itself from the car, but just fine anyway. I would have to remove it, but luckily nothing was damaged, surprisingly as well. So this is the damage that we have so far. This is really minor. The headlight, some minor brackets over there. The hood, which potentially I can just pop this thing out or bend it a little bit, but the crease is going like all the way over here. And over here as well. This car is not looking all that great because it has a bunch of scratches like these ones throughout the hood. On this side, so this fender is cracked over here. It has some scratch and it's cracked. This is also plastic on the bottom. There is a scratch that goes all the way on for the door, and over here I don't know what the cover, I know what the cover is in the trunk, but I haven't seen the condition of it. And this is the bumper, and it used duct tape to hold it. I can potentially put it together and just have that and drive it as is. Maybe I'll do that, maybe not. We'll see. And this is the back. There's just a residue from the duct tape when I removed. Again, the car is locked. It comes with one key. Okay. This is the trunk area. This is another cover from the other side. The plastic trim from the side that had accident. It's not too bad. It's fine. Well, that saved me $150 because these things cost about that much. Have some more floor mats which are for the back seats, and this car doesn't have them. And the trim from the front because that was missing. These hood struts are not holding up yesterday. Today they are holding up. So I have another set coming already. This is the headlight that I already ordered. Came in yesterday as well. Let's look inside. And this door is actually quite big for this size of the car. And the floor mats soak. I might put them into that Nissan. That one needs it more than this car does. Oh, this carpet is scraped all the way to the bottom. Let's close this door. The steering wheel, just like in Honda S2000. I don't know what these buttons do, at least not yet. This is pretty cool though, I like it. Everything works so far. Like, I haven't tested everything, all of it, but so far everything's worked. Let's start this car up, because then you will hear another problem that car has, but it's not a big problem, it's just stereo is on. Let's see. Starts right up. It's really cool when the car can do that. You cannot hear it from here, but the engine has a little knock. No check engine lights, nothing. This car is great. Mechanically, it's perfetto, as the Italians would say. Yeah. Beeps. I don't know what that thing does, but the car drives because I drove it off the trailer. I put it in the drive. The battery is at full. Let's see if I'm gonna put it in drive, roll it a little bit, and then stop. It's supposed to shut off, I think. Oh, this is the sport gear and a regular gear. I'm not really sure. I'm new to hybrids. I'm new to this car. I need to clean this whole thing up. Huh. There's nothing really much to talk about. Let's see. The seats are messy. Everything is dirty in here. A cookie. If I get 20,000 views on this video, I'm gonna eat that thing, which I won't get. The way the seats fold is really weird. The trunk is big. I like this trunk. Since most of the time I'm gonna be driving by myself, this is gonna be an awesome car. I'm telling you, people. Alright, let's go look under the hood. Yeah, so these snugs would have to be fixed. It's easy to fix, it doesn't cost me any money to do it, just some time. This is gonna be my first Honda and a first hybrid, so hopefully it's gonna be awesome. So much fucking space, look at that. The radiator looks new. I think it might have been replaced not that long ago. Ooh, this is soft and spendy. But this is it. A very boring car. Well, it's gonna be an awesome car for me because I'm gonna be commuting to New York and back in this, and it's gonna save me a lot of fuel. Although it is automatic, the CVT one. and it's not as fuel efficient as manual, but you know, what's the saying goes? Beggars cannot be choosers. Whatever showed up on the auction, that's what I got. I don't really care. If something, I'm gonna give it to my mom. My mom's gonna drive it in the city, and because it's already been painted up, I'm not gonna be worried about getting more damage, which you most likely will. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video of me getting my new daily driver and beater car, as some might say. And I'll see you next time when we're gonna be fixing this, cleaning it up, and make it look nice. Hopefully. Hey, goodbye. See you next time.